Universe markets itself as a decentralized organization of free equal blockchains which are controlled by Byzantine fault-tolerant agreement calculations like Tendermint. Byzantine fault tolerance is a component of one blockchain's agreement calculation which makes it ready to accomplish agreement in a decentralized climate that might actually contain pernicious agreement checking hubs in it. These blockchains are equipped for interoperating with one another through the Cosmos network, the alleged web of blockchains. Likewise alluded to as Cosmos Hub, it is the first blockchain sent off inside the Cosmos network and its principal undertaking will be to interlink other blockchains, otherwise called zones, in the biological system. Tokens can be moved starting with one zone then onto the next safely and rapidly with the assistance of Cosmos Hub. Universe network will be based on top of three key parts. 1. Tendermint core connects the system's administration and the agreement layer of the convention under a product execution known as Tendermint core. Contains the Tendermint BFT agreement calculation and the IBC, interblockchain correspondence, convention for center point, zone correspondence. 2. Application blockchain interface, ABCI, BFT replication of dApps in various programming dialects. ABCI is language skeptic and empowers designers to assemble the application piece of their blockchain in any language. Is the associating connection point between Tendermint core and Cosmos SDK. 3. Cosmos SDK, development asset otherwise called base coin. The main role of the SDK is to diminish the intricacies in building the ABCI for normal blockchain usefulness and permitting designers to zero in on adaptable applications inside a normalized structure. Engineers can take this essential edge that has inherent tokens, administration, marking, every one of the fundamental elements expected of a blockchain, and afterward add wanted functionalities through modules. Fundamentally the application layer of Cosmos network. Tendermint core is liable for the agreement on the Cosmos Hub. Blockchains that are associated with the hub keep up with their own agreement sway, without changing to Tendermint. Designers can assemble their own blockchains and applications with the assistance of Cosmos SDK and run them on top of the Tendermint core, just stressing over the application layer. ABCI utilizes an attachment convention to empower the agreement motor to oversee application state running in another agreement cycle, making Cosmos ready to help a wide assortment of digital forms of money and prearranging dialects like those found in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zero Cash, CryptoNote, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. About the Tendermint algorithm. Tendermint, the basic calculation of Cosmos, is the primary variation of proof-of-stake agreement got from the practical Byzantine fault-tolerant, PBFT, calculation presented by Castro and Liskov in 1999, following a 30 drawn-out research period. BFT-based POS conventions pseudo-haphazardly dole out a validator the option to propose new blocks during a multi-round casting a ballot interaction. Notwithstanding, committing and finishing blocks relies upon a supermajority. For this situation 66% of the majority, of all validators approving the proposed block. This might take a few adjusts, or polkas, before blocks become finished. BFT frameworks can endure up to a 1/3 of disappointments, where disappointments can incorporate inconsistent or pernicious way of behaving. Universe price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. Universe Price Prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the principal quarter of 2022. Preceding, we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 25.36%, $8.96. 2022 November minus 37.60%, $7.49. 2022 December minus 16.49%, $10.03. 2023 Jan minus 8.48%, $10.99. 2023 February minus 6.67%, $11.21. 2023 Mar plus 6.51%, $12.79. 2023 April plus 13.46%, $13.62. 2023 May plus 18.95%, $14.28. 2023 June plus 31.37%, $15.77. 2023 July plus 36.91%, $16.44. 2023 August plus 54.32%, $18.53. 2023 September plus 56.00%, $18.73. Molecule Price Prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees Atom coming to $28.52 in 2025. What will Atom be worth in 5 years? The cost of Atom in 5 years could lie around $28.66. Universe Price Prediction 2030 to 2040. What Cosmos will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees Cosmos coming to $71.30 in 2030. What Cosmos will be worth in 2040? Our Guaging model sees Cosmos coming to $142.59 in 2040. Will Cosmos supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Cosmos won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Cosmos at any point reach $100? Indeed, Cosmos could reach $100 toward the finish of 2025.